While drawing this concave mirror, as I told you, you have to take measurement of 4 centimeter for our convenience. Not necessary, but for our convenience. What is the distance between center of curvature and focus? Half of the radius. If you have taken radius 4, this distance should be 2. You cannot do it roughly. It is like a construction in geometry. It should be accurate, then only you will get the accurate image. So where the object is placed? At infinity. So you cannot see the object on the screen. It is placed at infinity. And as you know that the light rays which are coming from infinity are always parallel. And those parallel rays are falling on the mirror in this direction. First, what is rule 1 says? If incident ray is parallel, it reflects through focus. As I told you, in order to get the image, you have to take one of the parallel ray, one of the ray through focus, and one of the ray through center of curvature. So second ray आएगा either from center of curvature or focus, but it is falling from infinity, so it will come along the principal axis. So incident ray is itself along the principal axis, but it is passing through center of curvature. What is the direction? Reflected ray, it will move back in the same direction, and where those two reflected ray meets, that is the position of image. So here is the image form. So at focus, now you have to answer 3 questions. What is the nature? For every image you have to discuss its nature. Secondly, size and position. So first we will write position, and third, size. I have given pair of words to you. While telling nature, you have to tell whether it is real or inverted. So it is on the axis itself. So in a concave mirror, normally image is inverted. Secondly, whether it is real or virtual. So image is real. So either you can say it's inverted and real, or real and inverted. What is the position? It is formed at focus. What is the size? It is simply a single point. So point size means object placed at infinity, image formed at focus whose size is a small point. Now we'll discuss about the second position. So normally, as usual, I have taken radius 4 cm. This length is 2 because this is a focus, and instead of writing as center C, I have written 2f. The reason it is double of the focal length. So sometime we can say center of curvature as a C, or sometime you can represent it by 2f. Now what is the second position? Between infinity and 2f means it is behind the center of curvature. So somewhere here. Okay. So we will take object which is behind the center of curvature of suitable size, of suitable height. It should be perpendicular to the principal axis. So I have taken, this is an object which is A, B. To know upper and lower side, I have represented it by arrow. I want an image of point A. Where the image of point A falls, apply one of the rule out of those 3 rules. What are those 3 rules? You have discussed in the earlier slide. What are those 3 rules? If parallel, then passes through focus. If focus, then reflected is parallel, and last is through center of curvature, reflected through center of curvature. So we will take two options out of these three to get the image. So first option, common option, that is if parallel. Suppose incident is parallel. Be careful and draw it correctly. Then only you will get accurate. This is the incident which is parallel. What rule says? Incident parallel, then reflected must be through the focus. So I am representing reflected ray by red pencil. So this is reflected. To get the image of A, I must have one more ray from A. So that second ray I can pass through the focus or I can pass it through center of curvature. But I will choose this. This is convenient for me. So anyone, now two options left. Your incident may be through focus or through center of curvature. You have to select one of that. I have selected the second incident ray is passing through focus. Now apply the rule. When incident is passing through focus, so reflected must be, so from this point ray will reflect. So what will be the direction? It will reflect like this or like this. Rule says it should be parallel to principal axis. So automatically we got one point of intersection over here. What do we call that point of intersection? The rays are coming from A. Two rays are coming from A. They gets reflected through the surface of this mirror, isn't it? Because it is a spherical mirror. And both these reflected ray meets at this point, means this point is an image of point A. So this is A dash, image of A. But I want an entire image of AB. So rest part we will have here itself. I can have image of other point. It is along this. Draw perpendicular on the axis. So this is reflection of B is along the axis only. So this is your B dash. So B dash A dash is the image of AB. Now tell me, what is the nature, size and position? First point, nature. Second is size. And position. So nature, from the figure you can tell me, from this diagram, what is the nature? It is in front of the mirror, so it is real. It is erect or inverted, downside, so it is inverted. So nature is real and inverted. Second, what is the position? Where the image is formed, between 2F and F. Inverse, between center of curvature and focus. What is the size? It is of same size, smaller or bigger. You can see this triangle. If you compare these two triangles, this is a smaller than this. So it means this size is smaller than this one. So it is smaller than the object. What do we call that? Smaller than object. The word used for smaller than object is diminished. So like this, for every positions you have to trace the ray diagram and you have to conclude what is the nature, what is the size of image, and where the image is formed, that is the position of image. Now look at here, we will discuss this third positions. The object is placed at center of curvature. So means we are moving object nearer to the mirror. First taken at infinity, then behind the center of curvature, now at the center of curvature. So this position is more crucial and important, and difficult to draw also. Difficult in the sense it should be accurate, your measurements. So I have taken 4 centimeter as a radius. Exact, F should be exact midpoint of 2F and P pole, means it is a 2 centimeter. Now we are placing object at center of curvature. Now I will not use sketch pen to trace it because I want more accuracy, so I am using pencil. So your object should be exactly perpendicular. Okay, so this is AB, this is A and base is B. Rule says I want to take 2 rays incident from point A. First rule, if incident A is parallel to principal axis, be careful, it should be exactly parallel. This every point is important. Then rule says it should pass through focus of the concave mirror. That 1 mm also makes big difference. Isn't it? This is a reflected ray. Now what will happen if we take one more ray? Second rule, the incident is either through focus or center of curvature. From here, passing through center of curvature is quite difficult, so we'll choose the second option. Suppose second incident ray is through focus, one more incident ray which is passing through focus, isn't it? Now what will happen? It should reflect back. You have to draw it correctly. This is the point of incidence, so it will get reflected, and we got here a point of incidence. So what do we call that point of incidence? It is the image of A, so it is A dash. So that point came exactly below center of curvature, means now I can use sketch pen because this is the last step. So it is exactly, little error still had happened, isn't it? It should come exactly below. So more accuracy, more exactness in the image. What is the nature, size, and still I can find here 1 mm error. Nature, size, and position, or nature, position, and size. What is the nature? The image is in front, so real, downside the axis, so real and inverted. Size, same size because at the same position, that's why same size. Position, at the center of curvature, at the center of curvature, that is 2F. Means image is formed at the same position of same size but inverted.